Get the jack for a walk.
Yeah. That's how you piss off your neighbors.
Alright guys, so today is the day we are changing the brakes on my E-Class. We have the young AJ over here. Took us about, what, 30 minutes just to put the car in service mode?
Yeah. Mercedes is weird. I don't know, I don't really like Mercedes. But this might change my mind.
I am not familiar with doing car stuff, but AJ, the myth, the legend, knows about everything. Jacking the car up, putting in service mode, changing the brake, but he does leave to the Air Force on Monday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Couple days.
Monday I will not.
He's gonna be living his best life. With the wheel locks.
Yeah.
You know, in my other car, the GT, I actually didn't have my wheel locks.
For real?
So I don't know how they got the tires off.
Could have bucked your wheels, boy.
So this is all new to me.
Good.
You can see how dirty my car is underneath that I don't clean.
It's elegant in the sense of like it's a big body Benz.
So the tire and rim is off.
Got it all set up.
I learned from these two that you put the tire underneath to protect if the car happens to fall, so you don't crush your legs. Or crush little AJ.
yeah, that's for sure.
Alright AJ, so what are we doing now?
Now we're just taking off the actual caliper because now it's loose, so you just loosen it once, pop this off, and you just replace it. It's pretty simple.
Perfect. So how is the brake looking? Like, I don't see it at all.
Okay, so the brake pads are right here. They're pretty I mean, compared to the newer ones, they're a lot smaller, obviously.
Well, yeah, because these things been squeaking for help. Like, so finally got the screw off.
Now, I see what you mean. The sensors. There's different ones.
So the original brakes weren't too bad, but they're squeaky.
Yeah.
Just like that. What, they're already put on already?
Yeah. Just like that. There we go.
I honestly thought it was a lot more work than that.
No, that's a lot more work if you replace the
whole rotor and everything?
whole rotor and everything.
Everything, that's a lot of work.
Do not over torque your bolt. So that's the back suspension back there?
Yeah. That's your back suspension right there. It's very.
And just like that, brake one is done. Tire going back on.
Nuts on any car. These are different because it's a German car. Most German cars have these type of lug nuts. It's not really a nut, it's a lug bolt. But on anytime you're putting on a wheel, you want to hand sign with your fingers first before you use your wheel, your lug nut
Tightener.
wrench, the wrench. So because if you put it in sideways or it doesn't go in straight completely, it can there's a word for it.
It happens to you.
Yeah, it happens to we broke so many lug studs just being stupid.
Just a learning experience.
Yeah, it's a learning experience. Tightening them, not all the way, like obviously the torque, you're just gonna get them nice and snug so you have the wheel in place when you drop the car. You want to do it in a star pattern so it all goes down evenly. Loosen it down a little bit. It's on the floor.
So when the car's on the floor, you tighten it even more. So now I'm going to use this video and watch it every time I have to do brakes. Because AJ's not going to be around. He's going to be somewhere with the military.
Yeah.
So now one side's done. Now we're going to do the other side. You ready?
Yep.
He's going to walk. He's going to walk it.
You got a skateboard.
So we got to do this at like 2 or 3 in the morning.
Especially everybody's sleeping.
Like, I just got this big bird dookie. I just seen the bird dookie. We got our assistant chair manager.
Got my lawn chair.
He's the supervisor of AJ.
Of course.
his supervisor.
Like, alright.
Yeah, nothing. I taught you everything.
Yeah, whatever. But then,
What's your thoughts of us doing the brakes in the garage?
I don't care.
She told us before we started, if it breaks, we are not taking any accountability. But AJ is very confident, and I think we're doing everything fine.
Oh, yeah.
There's actually a brake sensor right
Okay.
there.
And you just pop it in.
They're not bad.
No, they ain't too bad.
She's studying the Bible of nursing.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I couldn't do that. I'm gonna go back to playing with the car and the brakes. I wish you best of luck. This is the worst part. It took us like 20 minutes just to figure out how to put it in service mode. So to get the car in service mode, you gotta be in the trip mode, hold the home button, and then the OK button, and then it should pop up.
It's done. Now this thing is done.
AJ the mechanic / Air Force. No squeak. Test run. Damn. So we did the brakes. He got to test them, just to find out that it's the front brakes that are squeaking, and I ordered the backs.
Yeah. I mean, it's good. Just probably get them checked, get them measured. If not, just replace them. I mean, it's not too bad of a job, but I sadly won't be here for it. So.
What is your experience of driving the car for the first time?
Okay, so I've driven a couple fast cars, nothing crazy, but that car is raw. I will say it's a raw car. It gets up quick. It's fun. It is fun.
I saw you had some fun in up and down.
Yeah, I did. I need to feel how that thing feels on the highway though. That's where it really matters.
It's a different story.
Yeah, that's
It
a
opens
different
up.
story. That's a different. It opens up here, but I mean, no space. But that thing's crazy.
Watching what he's about to go through. So this light hits the car perfectly.